marble pot is looking more like ombre clay, and I refuse to give up, so I'm gonna keep going at it, but if I can fix it. So not what I had in mind. We'll get this. Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make a realistic succulent cake. One of these three is not real. All right, so I have been taking care of these succulents and cactus, and I really love the way they look, so I thought I really wanted to make a cake that looks like it. Today I am going to attempt making a pot of succulents, and I have this cake that is going to be the pot. So I am going to slice it, fill it, cover it with buttercream, and I'm going to make a really cool marbled effect with the buttercream on it, and then I'm going to pipe a whole bunch of succulents, and I'm going to try to make them look really real, and we'll see how that goes. All right, well, my pot is ugly. It looks more ombre than marble, but I think I'm gonna put it in the fridge and then keep trying before I give up. I'm not giving up yet, it's going to work. So I'm gonna keep going at it, but I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it harden and see if I can fix it. So not what I had in mind. We'll get this. All right, I am going to get this one way or another. I'm gonna make it work. Oh look, it's starting to sort of work. All right, that means I gotta put it in the fridge. This is too soft. I put it in the fridge, and now I'm gonna try again. This time it's gonna work. You better work. Oh, it's looking good. That's cool. Something's working. Shh, don't jinx it. All right. This is awesome. It even looks like rock. This is so cool. It actually looks like rock. And it even has, because I worked with cold cake, it even has some little indentations there. So don't ask me how to do it, because I have no idea how it happened, but it happened and I'm happy. And now I am going to make a hole in the middle for my plants. I may or may not ruin this. So you see how good it looks now? Remember that. I didn't say I was gonna make it better. I said I was gonna try to make a hole, but here. You see, I have a hole, and now I'm gonna fill it up with something better. It is now time to fill the pot. And I decided I'm going to use brown sugar, and I'm gonna use the light brown sugar. So I'm gonna put a little bit of light brown sugar in this hole that I have to give the illusion that it's dirt. And then I'm gonna start putting all of my succulents on top. And that's it. Easy, right? I'm still gonna do one more thing, but that's it for now. All of you guys can go away. I could not stand to look at that flower because it looked so fake, so I switched my succulent cactus and I mixed a little yellow and red, and now this should work. I think it's gonna work. Shh, don't jinx it just yet. It's better than the other one, right? I'm done before I destroy it. I'm done. But it was a really fun try with buttercream. Done? Done, done?
Yes.
Done, done.
Go.
Done completely?
Done. Put it down. Walk away.
All right. Surprised at how hard it is to make it look realistic. I guess I'm just used to working with fondant, but seriously, it's a lot of fun, but it's very challenging. But I am determined I will get this. I'm gonna get better at buttercream, and you guys can come along the ride. Along for the ride. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to know when there is a new video being released. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.